Open it up. You're going to pull it out. Looks like a basketball hoop, okay? You're going to undo this one here and set it out on the ground. And then you're going to pick up with your right hand,
Yellow
the
one?
yellow side.
Yep.
And you're going to look at this bottom link. See how there's no hang-ups, no tangles?
Okay.
That's good. Yellow goes around the rear of the wheel. Comes down the other side. Pull a bit of chain through. And then you're going to slide it up around the back. And then you're going to connect that first connection.
Second connection.
And then do the second connection. Now these horizontal ones here need to be in the middle of your tread.
Okay.
Push it all back.
So the blue one, अच्छा यहाँ पे आनी चाहिए.
Just so the blue one looks nice and neat around the outside of your tire, okay? And so number 1 back there, number 2 here, number 3 is this one.
Okay.
And it works by putting that in through the side, and then you crank on it, okay?
That's it.
Finally, this one comes down and hooks into there. So these are auto tighteners. So you just drive very slowly for the first 100 meters.
Okay.
And then they'll shift and they'll move and they'll tighten. And then you can drive normally. But don't drive over 40 kilometers an hour and don't drive on regular like asphalt. Only drive on the snow and ice. Yeah.
Okay.
When you're coming down the mountain, there'll be a sign telling you to take your chains off. Stop, get someone to jump out and stop the car with this green one at 12 o'clock, right on top, okay? And then undo it, just the same way you did it up. And the reason we stop with this green one on top is because when you reach back, you know where that link is, right? If you stop with the green here, it's a pain in the ass to get it off, okay? Put that one down. And then, because you've just driven on it, you're gonna put this link's gonna be under the tire, so you can't actually pull it out. So you're gonna drive off the chain. Please don't drive on this, so pull that out to the side. Please don't drive on this, so pull that out to the side. You can drive over the rest of it, okay? Makes sense? Cool. That's it.